Wild Worlds, exploring the diverse habitats of animals and plants. Structure and mobility. Animals are multicellular organisms with complex organ systems and are capable of movement, while plants are generally stationary and have simpler cell structures. Nutrition. Animals are heterotrophic, meaning they obtain their nutrients by consuming other organisms, whereas plants are autotrophic, using photosynthesis to produce their own food. Reproduction. Animals usually have separate sexes and engage in sexual reproduction, whereas many plants can reproduce both sexually and asexually, with some species having both male and female reproductive organs in the same plant. Respiration. Animals typically rely on lungs or gills for respiration, while plants exchange gases through tiny pores called stomata. Sensory abilities. Animals often have well-developed senses, such as sight, hearing, and touch, while plants lack these sensory abilities. Similarities. Where animals and plants live. Terrestrial habitats. Many animals live on land, including forests, grasslands, deserts, tundra, and mountains. Aquatic habitats. Some animals live in water, such as oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds. They can be further categorized as marine, ocean-dwelling, or freshwater species. Arboreal habitats. Certain animals like birds, squirrels, and monkeys live in trees and are adapted to life in the canopy. Underground habitats. Burrowing animals like moles and groundhogs live underground. Polar regions. Some animals, such as polar bears and penguins, are adapted to the extreme conditions of the Arctic and Antarctic regions. Plants. Terrestrial habitats. Plants can be found in a wide range of terrestrial environments, including forests, grasslands, savannas, deserts, and wetlands. Aquatic habitats. Some plants are adapted to live in water, either fully submerged in aquatic ecosystems or floating on the water's surface. Epiphytic habitats. Certain plants, like epiphytes, grow on the surface of other plants, such as trees, using them for support but not obtaining nutrients from them. Alpine habitats. Plants can be found at high altitudes in mountainous regions known as alpine habitats. Wetland habitats. Plants like cattails and water lilies are adapted to thrive in wetland areas and swamps, marshes. The distribution of animals and plants is diverse and influenced by factors like climate, temperature, water availability, and the presence of other species in their ecosystems.